Hello students, today we will be discussing a new topic, adders. An adder is a logic circuit which is used to add binary digits. We all know that there are two types of binary digits, 0 and 1. Now there can be two types of adders. If we add two binary digits, then we use half adders, and if we add three binary digits, then we use full adders. So first we come to half adders. Half adder is a logic circuit which is used to add two binary digits. The logic circuit for adder contains two outputs, sum and carry. The truth table showing the addition of two bits in a half adder is given here. See, A and B are the inputs, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. These are the four input values. We make a column for carry, we make a column for sum. When we add 0 and 0, we get the sum as 0 and the carry as 0. When we add 0 and 1 again, we get the sum as 1 and carry as 0. When 1 and 0 are added, we get sum as 1 and carry as 0. When 1 and 1 are added, we get sum as 0 and 1 as the carry. This binary addition you must have done in earlier classes also. Now the logic diagram for half adder. See, when A and B are passed through the XOR gate, we get sum. If you look at sum clearly, where are the ones coming? The ones are coming when there are odd number of ones. See, here there is odd number of 1. Here there is odd number of 1. That means sum is following the XOR gate. So we have put a XOR sign in between A and B. Also it can be written as A bar B plus AB bar. The carry is following the AND operation. 0 plus 0. When 0 and 0 are operated using the AND gate, then we get 0. See, all zeros and the last one is 1. 1, that is output, is true only when both the inputs are true. So carry is following the AND operation. So this is the logic diagram of half adder. Next is the full adder. It is a logic circuit used to add three binary digits. Now when three binary digits are added, this is the truth table of full adder. A, B and C are taken as inputs. 4 zeros, 4 ones, then 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. And in C, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 alternate. Here the carry are written, here the sum is written. You must have done binary addition in your earlier classes. When there are 3 zeros, you get a 0, isn't it? When there are 2 zeros and 1, 1, when you add these 3 digits, you get 1. When there are 2 ones and another 0, you get 1 as the carry and 0 as the sum, isn't it? This is what we are doing here. And when you get 3 ones, then the output is 1, 1. This is what we are doing here, where 1 will be carry and 1 will be sum. See here, 3 zeros, then you get 0 for carry and 0 for sum. There is 1, only 1 ones, then 0 for carry and 1 in the sum part. Here 1 is there, only 1 is there. So 0 for carry and 1 in the sum part. Here in the inputs there are 2 ones. When 2 ones are there, then you get 1 for carry and 0 for the sum part. This is what you are doing here. 1 ones, so 0 and 1. 2 ones, so 1 0. 2 ones, so 1 and 0. There are 3 ones, so 1 and 1. I hope this truth table is clear to all of you. We are forming the minterms of the true values in carry as well as in sum. Now I will discuss the logic diagram later. First, I will tell you the expression of sum and carry here. Now the SOP expression for sum you will get by adding the minterms at the true positions. So for sum it is A bar plus B bar. SOP expression for sum is A bar B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C plus A B C. This expression cannot be reduced further, so we have to make the logic diagram using this expression only. But the expression for carry, it is A bar BC plus A B bar C plus A B C bar plus A B C. This expression can be further reduced. So we are reducing using the K-map. As you can see in this K-map, there are 3 pairs, isn't it? When this pair is formed, A is reduced and BC remains. When this pair is formed, C remains and A remains, B is reduced. And when this pair is formed, A and B remains, C is reduced. So the simplified expression for carry is AB plus BC plus AC. Now we come again to the logic diagram of full adder. See, I have made 3 input lines A, B, C, and the equation which we have formed, the expression which we have formed of sum, that is A bar B bar C plus A bar B C bar A B bar C bar plus A B C. This we have made in this. This is line of A and this is line of A bar. I have put a not operator here, not logic gate here. So this becomes A bar. This becomes A bar here, this becomes B bar, this becomes C bar. And we have used the AND gates and the OR gates to form the sum and carry. For the carry, I have used the simplified expression. So this is the logic diagram of full adder. Children, you have to learn half adder as well as full adder plus the diagrams and their truth tables by heart. These questions usually come in your board examinations, either a half adder or a full adder. One of these questions usually comes. So please learn it by heart. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have understood the half adder and the full adder. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss in the doubt class. Thank you, children.